Hi, today I will try to install Fortnite game on the iPhone XS. So I just got this phone and I want to try and play the Fortnite game with a new uh, CPU and the graphic card on this device and see how well it will play on the Fortnite. So I'm going to go into App Store and search for Fortnite, and I will download. I've been playing this game on the iPhone 6s and the setting is quite low, so I will see how it's improved over the iPhone 6s. So it's downloading at the moment. You can see, so it's loading, so this can take some time, so be patient while this one is installed. Okay, so now it has finished installing. You can tap on Fortnite to start the game. So here Epic Games, so allowed, and it will do some further initialization and possibly more downloads to update the games. So you can see here it will need to download a further 2.07 gigabytes of data. So just let it download. Appears to be running quite fast, so we wait and wait for the download to finish, and then after that you can launch the game and start playing. Okay, so here it is. Find my account. I can sign in with Epic Games. Let's just go back. So we need to sign in and then tap on OK. I'll just increase the light a little bit. It's a bit dark. And then tap on OK, and I need to put in my Epic Game password. So logging in. And we can tap on accept. So that's how you can install, log in, and start playing your Fortnite games. And that's pretty much it. Once it is logged in, we can start playing with the new iPhone XS. So we just have a quick play so you can have a look, see what it looks like. So auto fire, select, okay, got it. Go back to the lobby and start to play solo, accept, and play. Now this can take quite a while for the matchmaking. Sometimes you have to wait for up to a few minutes for this to work. But yeah, that's how you can install on the iPhone XS. So let's just have a quick play and see what it looks like. There's something happening here, so let's go in. Oops, I just missed it. seems to be quite smooth, so not much lagging. Swapping weapons. Pick up this trap. So nowhere to put it. Let's go and find some dudes. There's no one here. Oh, someone here. Oh, oops, got killed. He's pretty quick. So yeah, it's the graphic quite smooth, and I shouldn't have any problem playing games on the iPhone XS with playing Fortnite. So just get out of this, return to lobby. So can't really, so I have to swipe up from here to get out. And that's it. That's how you can install and play Fortnite on this iPhone SX. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.